Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So I'm back with another video. In this video we are going to see how receive and pre-close this option will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the search bar I will search one customer. So here you can see this customer I have created. Now let's go on the loan. And here, for example, let's take 5,000 loan at the rate of 2% monthly interest with principal, and for let's take 12 week. Okay, so here I will take the back date, that 1st September for example, and here also 1st September I will take, and from here I will just calculate. So here you can see 5,000 is the principal, installment is 440 and projected interest is 280. So here you can see I have added some commissions received 2,000 automatically. So now I will just save this loan from here. So loan number 173 saved. Now let's search this loan number 173 from the search bar. So here you can see that loan is created for 1st September to 17th November. So it is showing due amount, that installment tracker. If you check, you can see 440 is the installment and these are all due amounts are pending to received. So let's receive from here. For example, let's receive 1500 and let's check the installment tracker. So you can see here 3 installment we have received in 1500. So 440 is still in 440, 260 is still remaining. Okay, and then now let's receive, for example, let's receive 600 from here. The date we can change and receive. So just check the installment tracker. So here you can see we have received 1, 2, 3, 4 installments successfully. 5th installment is that 100 is still due. So now I want to pre-close this loan and I will just receive this 100 from here, and I have completed, let's check, I have completed 5 installments successfully. So the remaining amount you can see here, the principal 2,915 is still remaining. So let's take for example 2,000 and I want to close, receive and pre-close this account. So here I will select the date. For example, let's take 18th September. I want to receive and pre-close. So here I will just click on the receive and pre-close. So are you sure to pre-close this loan? Yes. So you can see I have closed this account, that I have received 2,000, and let's check the installment tracker. If you see, the system is adjusting all amount and the remaining installment is 000, you can see. So we can do this receive and pre-close in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.